So this week's interactive advanced concept, we're going to be talking about molecular geometry, and basically that is just where the atoms are in a molecule in relation to the central atom. So there's 5 ideal shapes that we want, and we're going to start with the first one, linear, and it looks like this. It's just 2 in a straight line put together. Linear molecules have 2 electron domains, no lone pairs, and an example of this is carbon dioxide. So moving on to the next one. The next one, another ideal shape, you can see all my balloons, is called trigonal planar. And in this one, you can see there's 3 balloons. There are 3 electron domains, no lone pairs, and an example is sulfur trioxide. The next shape we have is called tetrahedral. And it looks like this. That's kind of hard to see. There's 3 on the bottom, and then there's 1 on the top. Tetrahedral has 4 electron domains, no lone pairs, and an example is methane. The next shape we have, trigonal bipyramidal. So this one's kind of harder to see, but we have 4 on the bottom and 1 on the top. So this trigonal bipyramidal molecule has 5 electron domains, no lone pairs, and an example of this is phosphorus pentachloride. And the last ideal shape we have is called octahedral. So this one we can kind of see there are 3 of each color balloon. I ran out of theme colors, but there's 6 balloons here. Octahedral has 6 electron domains, no lone pairs, and an example of this is sulfur hexafluoride. So these are just the 5 shapes that are ideal, but from these shapes we have other shapes that can happen, like bent or angular, trigonal pyramid. So there are some different shapes, but those are our 5 basic shapes of molecular geometry.